Supposed to like the golf club, not the phone.
Trevor, let's get your ball. Come on. Get the ball. How do you get it? Here you go. You want your golf club?
Yay!
Here, buddy.
Yeah, hi. Oh, the golf ball's back.
Let's get the golf ball.
What are you gonna do?
Here, do you want to stand up? Hey, bud. You're too exciting, Dad.
Oh, it's not me, it's the phone. Hey, where's your golf club? Where's your golf club?
Here you go, bud.
Yeah.
Let's go get it. Get the ball.
Good job. There you go.
Here.
Remember proper form. Yay!
Okay, the golf ball.
Okay, come say hi to all your fans. Yeah. Did you do it?
Can we get the ball? Come on, big boy.
Do you want to go hit the golf ball?
Mommy's gonna get it.
Oh, Mommy's going to hit the golf
Ready?
ball. Yay! Okay, can Trevor do it? Okay, you can do it.
Your turn.
Okay. All right. Yay!
Do it again.
Yay! Good job.
Hey, bud. Can you do it again? Get the ball. Ready? Stand up. Ready? Okay.
Yay! Okay, say bye. Oh, wait. You want to go see Charlie? Okay, come say bye close up. Okay, bye, buddy. Good job. That's right.